In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your photo into any style you want using Photoshop and Google's Nano Banana Pro. Let's begin. In Photoshop, you want to make a selection first using Command-Control+A. Then, in the contextual taskbar, go to Generative Fill. If you can't see the contextual taskbar, go to Window, and at the bottom, you can check Contextual Taskbar. Click on Generative Fill and here type in a prompt for any style you want. I'm going to type watercolor style and then open this to choose the AI model. We'll select Gemini 3 with Nano Banana Pro and then hit Generate. And once that is ready, we have our result. You can see that it generated one image that was added as a new generative layer. If we go back to the text box, we can type any style we want. Let's try painting style. And there you have it. It's up to you to experiment with any kind of style you want. You can try Simpsons style or Disney Pixar style. And using these arrows, you can basically navigate through all of your generations. If you want to turn it into a normal layer, you can right-click the layer and choose Rasterize Layer. Or you can also convert it into a smart object, and once you double-click, then you have access to the original settings. Another thing to note is that whenever you make a generation is going to cost you a few generative credits. So if you head over to the Adobe site and click on your profile, you're going to see here how many credits you got left. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Visit the Creative Society website for more design resources and music. If you want to continue learning, check out this other video on the screen. Thank you, and see you next time.
This is Creative Society.